How to add another account. How to add another account on Facebook. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app right here. And once we open our Facebook app, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on at the top right corner of the screen and then click this three horizontal line. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this settings and privacy. Now, once you see that settings and privacy, just click this settings right here. And then once you click that, you should be redirected right here in this page. Now, what we're going to do in this part is to just click this See More in Account Center. Now, once you click See More in Account Center, the next thing that we need to do is to just scroll down until you see this Accounts. Now, what we're going to do here is to click this. And then once you do that, you will be able to see all of the accounts that is associated with your Facebook and your Instagram account. Now, to add account, all you have to do is to click this. So click that add accounts, and then you should be redirected to Instagram. And then after that, you can now add another Facebook account in your Facebook. Now, if you want to add an Instagram account, you can also do that. So it goes both ways on Instagram and Facebook. So all you have to do is to just type the information or the account information that you want to add on Facebook, and then it will now be automatically added right here once you do that. So that is basically it. That is how to add another Facebook account in Facebook.